Guys, welcome to tonight's evening walk along Kho Chang White Sands Beach. I hope you enjoy the walk as much as I am. I've just gone all the way to the end of the beach so I can walk all the way up again, just so you guys can see exactly what this place is about. I mean, this island wasn't voted second most amazing destination in the world for no reason, and it really is. I just only wish that there were two special people here to share it with me, but they will be later on in the year. That will make sure. Definitely think a nice little Christmas break is in order, so one's going to have to work their backsides off to make that happen. But my God, is it worth it? Just look at this place. Wow. Who's this gorgeous one? Oh. Gorgeous little thing. So cute. Look at him. Oh, he's gorgeous. Look at him living his best life, running along the beach. God, he's as lucky as I am. Isn't he a little cutie pie? He's gorgeous. Can't wait to see all the different colours in the sky. I think I'll forever be that girl that gets excited about sunsets and sunrises. It's nothing quite like it. I think at some point later on there's going to be a fire shop, which is good enough. I've got a little video of that, I can imagine. Tomorrow I'll be off to the tour desk to see what little exciting adventures I can get up to over the next few days. Not too sure if I want to go on to Hua Hin or Chiang Mai, or even back to Bangkok. I just don't know what I'm going to do. What do you guys think? Pop a little message, pop a little comment, and let me know where you've been and where you enjoyed the most. And you never know, maybe I'll just go there. Open to all suggestions. Reasonable, of course. Oh, there's a little fella again, look at him. Gorgeous. Surprisingly, I'm not seeing any little kitties yet, which is something that was plentiful last time I was here. But there's still lots of time. But we'll find them little kitties for there. So I hope I've still got your attention, guys. Oh, that was a good save by the man. Well done. Oh, that was a close shave. Glad the little fella was alright. The job his owner was keeping an eye on him. Look at those colours, guys. Look guys, there's an absolute shellfest on the floor here. I've already collected loads. Best time to come along for a walk along Kho Chang, that sounds, it's probably early morning. There aren't too many people about. So there are beaches in Bengal, for instance, which are completely, it's like they're abandoned. The last time I was there, I was literally the only person on the beach. It was absolutely heavenly. I say there's been some huge changes to Bangkok, Kho Chang Road. I hadn't been there for quite some time, but my God, I barely recognised the place last night when I arrived. But yeah, I'm glad I was only in Bangkok one night, because that's just a little bit too loud for me. It's nice to get back to it. I have a few bits and bobs. But one night is enough for me. I'm sure my friend Jodie would disagree. Oh, she's a little party animal, that one. Wow. Jodie, if you're watching this video, I hope you're well. And we're going to have to return to Thailand someday. Found a really special show about it. I'm quite excited about the fire show a bit later on, so might be another video coming your way. These are what you need to be careful of, the dogs on the beaches. Normally they hang around in packs. I've had a few near misses with packs of dogs on beaches. But yeah, definitely a bit of excitement I can do about this trip. Oh, look at that. See me coming from many walks here throughout my stay here. I just don't seem to get bored of beach walks. Big show of this one there. That little rinse. We having that one for the fish tanks. Lovely. Pretty. Look at that. Isn't it nice? That's what I want, the big ones. They're the best ones. This one's beautiful. I really like that. Okay. end of White Sands Beach. I hope you've enjoyed the walk as much as I have. If you're liking this content, please like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to my little channel, and it would be greatly appreciated. And I've actually had a YouTube channel for quite some time. It wasn't until the last few months that I've really taken it seriously. And still haven't niched down, but I'm posting what I like and what resonates with myself, and I just only hope that, you know, that resonates with somebody else and they enjoy the videos. You know, even if I get one like or one subscriber, means that that one person has had an impact on the video that I posted, which is such a nice thought. Had a really special few days. Got to go to Hackney, spend the night there and the following day. And then my brother kindly escorted me to the airport because he knows that I found the journey really stressful. And it's made a lot easier with having him now, I must say. So thank you, Ian. And I just hope that you're going to come and join us this summer. And I'll just end this little video with this beautiful sunset here. I really hope you've enjoyed tonight's walk as much as I have. Please like and subscribe if you like this content. It would mean a great deal. Until the next one. Bye.